So as announced in one of my previous videos, the free giveaway lucky draw has started on the channel, and every single one of you stands a chance to win a dashcam every single month of 2025. But in order to qualify for the giveaway, you need to make sure that you are a member of Travel Tech, that you have subscribed as a member, and of course you need to comment on all of my future videos. Put in your best comments which might prove useful to other viewers who are going to watch the video later on in the future. That being said, as I had announced previously, that the fastest 10 members who join my channel will pre-qualify for the lucky giveaway. And even if you still haven't joined as a member, you can of course still go ahead and join as a member and keep commenting on my videos to qualify yourself for the lucky giveaway. That being said, this is the list of the top 10 people, the fastest 10 people who joined my channel as members. So a huge thanks to those 10 people who joined as members of my channel as soon as I put up that video. And as promised, your name is going to get into the lucky draw bowl right away. So here's the lucky draw bowl from which I'm going to pick up a winner every single month of 2025. And let's start off the list with the top 10 members who have joined my channel as soon as I announce the video. Starting off the list with Mayank Dalal. I mean, a huge thanks to Mayank for subscribing to the highest level of membership, that's being a die-hard fan of Travel Tech. A huge thumbs up, a huge thank you to you. You are simply amazing. So your name goes in 3 times within this lucky bowl because you subscribe to the 3rd level of membership. So those who are ultra fans, that's the 2nd level of membership, will get their names added in 2 times. And those who subscribe to the entry level membership, the super fan level, will get their names added into the bowl 1 single time. So let's start off by writing off the chits and adding them to the lucky draw bowl. So Jasdeep Singh has subscribed to the 2nd level of membership, that's ultra fans. So his name is going to be added in twice within the lucky draw bowl. Following this, we have Samir Chavan. Then we have Ali Khan, who has subscribed to the superfan level. Then we have Jeffrey Rajan. Then we have Unni Sarat. Then we have Danny, who has been consistently supporting my work. Then we have Israda, Isaac Dio. And lastly, we have Srinivas. So here's the free giveaway lucky bowl, and these are all the names that are going into this bowl. So do note that this was the first entry within this lucky bowl. I do have lots of videos coming up in this month of January, and all you need to do to qualify and to get your name added within this lucky bowl is to make sure that you are a member of Travel Tech. The higher the level you choose, the better the chance you have at winning. And of course, you need to comment on all the rest of my videos which I'm going to be putting up in this month and the month later and the month later. That being said, put your best comments and comment in a way that would be helpful for other viewers who are going to watch the video maybe in the future. So huge congratulations and a huge thanks to all the 10 members, the fastest 10 members who joined in as members of my channel. Your names are right in this list, and one of you will probably is going to start winning dashcams each month for the year of 2025. So if you have any doubts or any confusion regarding this free giveaway, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to clarify your doubts, and of course I'll put up all the detailed rules in the description of this video as well. You can just check that out and you can just read those rules to understand this competition better. So if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now. And if you're already a subscriber, go ahead, join the channel and become a member of Travel Tech channel by selecting any one of the 3 different levels of membership: the super fan level, the ultra fan level, or the die hard fan level. The higher the level you choose, the better the chance you get in winning a dash camera. I'll be regularly putting up giveaway update videos after each video, after selecting the top comments, the best comments from all the members, and I'll be adding their names to this free giveaway lucky draw bowl. So do make sure to follow these videos, so do make sure to keep yourself updated on the status of the giveaway so that you don't have any sort of a confusion, you don't have any sort of a doubts regarding this. So expecting a lot more people to join this giveaway lucky draw and give yourself the chance to win some of the most premium dash cameras in the year 2025 every single month, one dash camera every month. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.